Children, class 7th, exercise 11.2, question 7. Triangle ABC is right angle at angle A. AD is perpendicular, AD perpendicular है to BC. If AB is 5 centimeter, BC is 13 centimeter and AC is 12 centimeter. Find the area of triangle ABC. Also find the length of AD. We have to find the area of the triangle and the length of the AD. Now, first, what is given? AB is 5 centimeter, AC is 12 centimeter, BC is 13 centimeter. We have to find the area of the triangle. Area of the triangle ABC. I'm writing short form A. A means area of triangle ABC. This we have to find and we have to find AD. AD पता करना है. Okay, this two things we have to find. So children, see, this is right angle. If you see this triangle I'm drawing here, A, ये right angle है यहाँ से 90 से, and this is B and this is C. This is the right angle ABC. So area of triangle ABC, we have to find the right angle triangle है, तो we can apply the formula half into base into height. And we know that कि AB कितना है 5 centimeter and AC कितना है 12 centimeter. This is our base and this is height. So we can find half into base कितना है 12 and height is 5. 2 ones are 2 6 are 6 5s are 30 centimeter square. Square इसलिए because we have find the area. We got one. Now second is AD. We have to find the AD. AD is the height, but which side? Side BC. Again I will take this triangle. This triangle, ये A है, this is B and this is 3C and this is height this time, क्योंकि right angle यहाँ, this is D and this time base is given 13 degree. Again this is area of triangle. This area of triangle, ये ABC है, ये भी ABC है. Area of triangle this and this is same. तो then area of triangle ABC is equal to again half into base into 5 because 90 degree है, but area this time हमारे पास area है 30, half base कितना है this time we'll take base 13 and height we have to find that is AD. Now 30 यहाँ divide है तो यहाँ multiply है तो यहाँ पे divide and we have to find the AD. Now here it is 13 से cancellation is impossible, तो 32s are 60 upon 13. So we'll keep as it is only 16 upon 30 centimeter. This is your height of the triangle. We find it this also. Now question 8. Triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle with AB और AC क्या है 7.5. Isosceles triangles है ये, तो two sides are equal in isosceles triangle. ये भी 7.5 है, ये भी 7.5 and BC is 9 centimeter. The height AD की height कितनी है 6 centimeter. From A to BC is 6 centimeter. Find the area of the triangle. What will be the height from C to AB, that is CE की हमने height find करनी है and AD height is given, base is given. In the same way we have done in previous sum 7. First I will take this base and this height. I will find the area of the triangle first, then I will find the height of AC. Now what is given? It is given AB is equal to 7.5 centimeter, AC is equal to 7.5 centimeter because it is isosceles triangle, both the side equal, and BD is equal to 9 centimeter and AD AD is equal to 6 centimeter is given. This height is given 6 centimeter. Now first ये height and this base is given, तो I will take triangle ABAC. Area of triangle ABC, the same formula, half into base into height. Half base 9 centimeter, height is 6 centimeter. 2 1s are 2 3s are 9 3s are 27 centimeter square. We got the area. Again now I will find this. The same will be, now I will take half into, this time base क्या हो जाएगा, AB, base into height again. This time base AB and height will be EC. We know the area of the triangle. Area of triangle कितना है, 27. तो 27 1/2, AB is given 7.5, EC we have to find. 27 to divide will be multiply 7.5. Okay, and EC point है निकाल यहाँ पे, and we'll do the cancellation with the table of 5. 5 1s are 5 5s are 5 4s are. Now 4 and 15 first multiply will. Now ये दोनों का cancellation is impossible, but this 2 will be cancelled in the table of 3. 3 5s are 3 9s are. Now no cancellations. 9 4s are 36 and upon 5. Keep it as it is only. This is your final answer. Okay. Now this we got in fractionation division. It's possible. We'll do it. 5 7s are 35. 1.052s are very short. So we'll take 7.2 is the E. 7.2 centimeter. This is your final answer. Thank you children. If you like this video, like, subscribe and share the video.